Hello, everybody. How are you all today?
Good.
Great stuff, great stuff. I would like to start today with a quote. And guess what? It's my quote. And the thing is, well, it goes like this. The more I overcome challenges, the more I learn. And the more I learn, the more I overcome challenges. Because it's taking me on a lovely journey. And the great thing, when you do things differently, things change. And with these changes come great learnings. And that's what I love, because all of these learnings have taken me, as I said, on this journey. And on this journey, I'm managing to help people. I'm finding continuous purpose. What's a problem for you? Well, a problem for you, for me, means an opportunity. Just like another hurdle. If I see a problem, I see opportunities to improve. Uncertainty. How about that one? I managed to look forward to uncertainty. And it is, to me, a field of unlimited opportunities to improve, to grow. Failure, another big one. What is failure? I want to fail. And when I say I want to fail, yes, because every time I'm failing, I'm learning. Every time I'm failing, I'm improving. Every time I'm failing, I become better. And that's here. That's, in this part of this mindset that I developed on that one. I mean, it's just you can create the way in which you want to create. Think about it. What if you could do that? If you were running a business, an organization, and you could be surrounded by individuals with this kind of mindset, how would that be?